my channel. So in today's video we have yet another wig install video. So today's wig is actually from Mega Look Hair, and I would like to thank them for partnering up with me on another video because I have worked with them in the past before. So yeah, let's just go ahead and hop into the video. I originally planned for it to be like a full get ready with me video, but y'all, all the footage of me doing my makeup got deleted somehow. Well, it's not somehow, but I was just moving too fast deleting footage basically, and it deleted. So yeah, we're just going to be installing this wig today. I hope that y'all enjoy it. Let's just go ahead and hop into the video.
Nights alone that we miss more. Days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time. I give you my whole life. That girl, I'm in my own time. Hate to leave it, call it torture. Remember when I couldn't hold her? Left the baggage for a moment. I get the feeling, so I'm sure. And in my hand because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore your eyes. Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. Don't be distracted. Wanna be this right in my arms. Your kisses taste the sweetest in mine. And I'll be right here with you till the end. I got pictures out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck to look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. Baby, won't you meet me by your feet? Darling, baby, lady, you know what it is, I'm not our business. Baby, sis, don't need business, no. 33, way to go, on the journey. But I see you at the show tonight. But I see you at the show tonight.
Okay, so obviously as y'all can see, I'm done installing. So a portion of me like brushing my hair out and everything from the curls, like all that got deleted as well. Like I said, a lot of the footage from this video got deleted. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed for the majority of it, me installing it and curling it or whatever. All the details and everything will be linked in the description box for y'all to go and check out and make a look hair. But let me know if y'all like this style, this side part. I haven't done a side part in a minute, girl. So yeah, let me know if y'all like it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, girl. Love y'all.